Welcome to Trading for Dummies. Now, I'm not calling you a dummy, but you're probably a dummy when it comes to trading, but that's the point of this entire series. By the end of the series, you will no longer be a trading dummy. You will be extremely smart, knowing everything that you need to know, from what day trading even is, to how to read a chart, to the platforms to use, to the best strategies to use, how to use other people's money. You're gonna know basically everything that you need to know to be able to start making money day trading. 9 years ago, I was in the same spot that you're at right now. I knew absolutely nothing about trading at all. I didn't have any family members that traded. I was completely on my own. But I started this journey of learning how to trade because I saw so many other people having success with it. And I knew that if I could put my mind to it and actually master this skill, that it could change my life. And that's exactly what it did. Fast forward 9 years later, I now am able to make 6 figures a month with trading. I'm able to support not just me, but my entire family, all of my friends. I have financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom. I can literally trade and make money from anywhere inside of the world at any time that I want to. It's honestly been one of the greatest blessings that God has blessed me with, and I've been blessed enough to share it with thousands of other people as well. My intentions for this entire series is every single day I will upload a new piece of content that you will have to watch that'll take you this much closer to the goal of becoming a profitable trader. I'm not leaving anything out. I'm going to put every single piece of information out there. I'm going to be uploading it daily over the next 2 weeks or so. Depends how much time we need to get all the information out there. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have the post notifications on, just so you can remember. Actually, it might be better if you just set an alert on your phone for every day to check YouTube to find my video. That way you don't miss any parts of the puzzle, because every single video in this series is extremely important. You cannot skip any of them. I'm not putting any fluff in there. I'm not making anything complicated, because I remember 9 years ago when I was first getting into trading, so many people made this whole thing way more complicated than it needs to be. I have been able to simplify it to a point where even an 11-year-old can learn how to trade. And I know this because I've taught an 11-year-old how to trade. It's not complicated if you have the right person that will teach you, and if you yourself just lock in and become dedicated to learning this skill. Now, you have to understand that this is not a get-rich-quick thing. This is not something where you're gonna watch the videos over the next 2 weeks and you're gonna start making millions of dollars. That's not how this works. It honestly took me over 3.5 years to get to the point where I can consistently make money trading. But if I had to start from zero, from right now, and I had the exact series of videos that we're gonna be going over in the next 2 weeks or so, I'd get there much faster. I wouldn't have wasted so much time or lost so much money in the beginning. And that's the main reason I'm making this video, so that you don't have to go through the same trials and tribulations that I had to go through to get to the point that I'm at now. You've probably seen so much online about day trading. You've probably seen a bunch of scammers. You've probably seen so many people talk about how it's fake, or you need hundreds of thousands of dollars or 300 different computers to trade on. And it's all not true. I'm gonna break down the most common myths. I wanna make sure that we get that out the way so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. You know exactly what you should expect over this entire series. That way you're fully capable of actually locking in, not having distractions, and then applying the information that we're gonna be going over throughout this entire series. So first of all, the main thing that I hear people say is that trading is not real. Like, the money that you make on trading is not real. That's probably the stupidest one I've ever heard in my entire life. When you make money trading, you make it inside of a brokerage account, which we'll get into later on inside this video. And think of that simply as like a bank account that you trade from. When you make profits, you can withdraw that money from your bank account, the brokerage, right into your own actual bank account. Use that to pay bills, travel, buy clothes. Essentially, it's the fact that any of the money that you make in the market is not just random fake numbers on your screen. It's actual dollars that you can use to fund your lifestyle. Now, speaking of lifestyle, you probably have thought that you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to get into trading. You might think that it's just like your parents would say back in the day, where you had to buy a stock and hold it for 10 years to be able to actually make money. That's not the case. And later on in the series, I'm actually gonna go over how you can get started with like 200 bucks and be able to use that 200 bucks to actually leverage other people's money to get hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade with, without having to put up that much money yourself, with, like I said before, like 200, 300 bucks. So you don't need a whole bunch of money to start off realistically, at least not now. Back when I first started 9 years ago, the things that are available now called prop firms, which I said we'll get into later on inside this series, but those weren't a thing back in the day. So I had to front all that money myself to be able to see gains. But these days, you can pay a few $100 and get access to $50K, $100K, $150,000 worth of other people's money to trade with, which is a huge cheat code. Another thing that I hear people say is that you have to spend like all day on the charts. And that couldn't be further from the truth, especially how I teach it. So I teach a system that we're going to get into later on inside this series, where it takes me less than 40 minutes a day of actual work. Like, I don't sit and look at my charts every single day. Trading takes such a small amount of time of my day once I've mastered it, or as I've mastered it. Obviously in the beginning, you have to put more time into learning the skill and practicing and things like that. And we'll get into what you should be doing. What does practice look like? We'll get into that later on inside this series. But once you have the system down pat and you know what you're doing, it takes me less than 40 minutes a day to actually trade, which discredits that whole thing of thinking you have to sit here on your computer for 3,000 hours a day, typing away and hoping to make some money. Now, the next thing that I hear a lot is that it takes 10 years, 20 years to learn how to become a profitable day trader. And that's not true either. Now, it can take a while. I told you guys it took me about 3 years to actually start being consistent making money trading. But if you have the right knowledge or have the right mentorship or put in the right amount of work, you can actually get there a lot faster. Like a student of mine, I'm not saying this is going to be everybody, but a student of mine went from knowing absolutely nothing in February of last year to June of the same year having made over $80,000. That was what? I don't know, 4 months, 5 months, something like that. So that can happen. And then I've also had people take a year to get profitable. That's why I try to explain to you guys, this is not a get rich quick thing. This is something that you learn this skill and you have it for the rest of your life. It's not a process that should be rushed, but at the same time, having the right information and putting in the right amount of work can get you there a lot faster than it took me. And I talk about being at my desk and all this stuff for hours a day or not having to do that. And a lot of people also think that you need some crazy setup. Like you need 13 monitors, you need freaking the best computer in the world. And that's the furthest thing from the truth. I have so many people that trade just from their phone. Now, I don't suggest you learn how to trade from your phone because the screen is pretty little, so it can be a little bit harder to actually do that. But you don't need any crazy type of computer. If you have one screen, if you have a regular laptop, as long as the laptop has Wi-Fi and it doesn't lag like crazy, you're good. You don't need no $500, $600, $700 PC or laptop. As long as it has Wi-Fi and it does not lag, you will be completely fine. I even have a lot of people that trade straight from an iPad. Now, again, I don't really recommend an iPad. It is bigger than your phone, but it's still pretty little. But if all you have is your iPad, that's gonna work fine as well. But all of these things are essentially myths that make a lot of beginners not get into trading, and hopefully me clarifying it gives you a lot of, I guess, comfort in knowing that you can achieve this. The thing that I love about day trading so much is that it's for everybody. It doesn't care how old you are. It doesn't care what gender you are, what race you are, what political party. It doesn't care about none of that. It doesn't care where you live. None of that matters. Everybody is on a fair playing field when it comes to actually trading. And that's why I've made it my mission to teach as many people this skill as possible. And that's why I'm making this entire series completely free. You guys don't have to pay me a dime. You guys don't have to put in your email address or something like that. I'm making all of this literally free because I wish I had the amount of education and information that I'm going to share with you guys when I first started off. So I'm super excited for you to come on this entire journey with me. I look forward to the success stories that you guys will show me a month from now, 2 months from now. I look forward to the messages that you guys will send me, or I don't know, the Lamborghinis that you guys will send me when you're grateful that I've made you learn this skill that makes you so much money. I don't know. It's just a suggestion. But anyways, be ready for tomorrow because that's when we're going to start diving into the meat and bones of this entire thing, making sure you're getting fully set up with your trading platforms, understanding what platforms you should and shouldn't use, when you should use them, the type of analysis. We're going to get into the good stuff tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video of this series, Trading for Dummies.